Welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner or manager, you already know how easy it is to lose track of recurring expenses. Missing a payment can mean late fees or even service interruptions. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a recurring bill in Zoho Books, the smart way to automate your accounts payable in 2025. By the end of this guide, you'll have your recurring bills running on autopilot, saving you both time and money. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account. From your dashboard, look for the navigation menu at the top. Click on Purchases, and from the drop-down, select Recurring Bills. This is where all your automated bills will live. Now, let's set up a new one. On the Recurring Bills page, click the Create Recurring Bill button. This opens up a form where you'll enter all the key details. Start with the vendor's name, the supplier or service provider you'll be paying. Next, select the start date for when you want this bill to begin repeating. Then, set the frequency of the bill cycle. Zoho Books gives you flexible options like weekly, monthly, or even custom intervals depending on how often your payments occur. From here, you can also add specifics like bill amount, reference numbers, and any notes that might help you keep track. Before saving, make sure to carefully double check everything. The vendor name, billing frequency, and start date. Accuracy here is important because once the recurring schedule is active, Zoho Books will automatically generate these bills for you on time, every time. When everything looks good, hit save and you're done. From now on, Zoho Books will handle the repetitive task of creating bills so you don't have to worry about missed deadlines or late fees. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've automated one of the most time-consuming parts of business accounting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tutorials on Zoho Books and other business tools. And if you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.